BBC Radio 1 DJ Annie Nightingale has died, her family announced on Friday. A statement read, Annie Nightingale MBE passed away yesterday at her home in London, after a short illness. Annie was a pioneer, trailblazer and an inspiration to many. Her impulse to share that enthusiasm with audiences remained undimmed after 6 decades of broadcasting on BBC TV and radio globally. Never underestimate the role model she became. Breaking down doors by refusing to bow down to sexual prejudice and male fear gave encouragement to generations of young women who, like Annie, only wanted to tell you about an amazing tune they had just heard. Watching Annie do this on television in the 1970s, most famously as a presenter on the BBC music show The Old Grey Whistle Test, or hearing her play the latest breakbeat techno on Radio 1, is testimony to someone who never stopped believing in the magic of rock and roll. Her family added that a celebration of Annie's life will take place at a memorial service in the spring. Annie became the first female DJ on the BBC in 1970 and remained the only woman on the lineup for 12 years. She was known for championing new and underground music. She also led the movement which encouraged other women to become DJs and broadcasters. She was BBC Radio 1's longest-serving broadcaster and remained on air until late last year with Annie Nightingale Presents. In 2010, Annie was awarded a Guinness World Record for having the longest career as a female radio presenter, an honor she received from her favorite musician Liam Gallagher.